You can sort the entire Amazon catalog currently by just seeing newly launched products that have these coupon codes on them, okay? So we're going to be able to find advanced sellers, or maybe there's some unadvanced ones doing it. You know, as time goes on, more people will do this, but here is a free tool, and it's called Jungle Search, okay? So you guys should check this out because it gives you the ability to sort the Amazon catalog in just a little bit different of a way. So we can use keywords, but what I really like here is we can choose percentages off. Now this has to deal with the price that they say, like you'll see where it's $100 and then a slash, you know, it's actually $9.99 or whatnot. I don't really use that too much, but you can identify your price points here, but what's here, and then you could choose Amazon only or prices from merchants. But what is really important to me here is I can sort it by newest arrivals, and then there is the coupon. Okay, I'm sorry, the percentage off here. This has to deal with the coupon. So I'm going to say 5% at least. Okay, so let's say I just want to look up the word set. So anything that is a set at all that has a So this person is doing bundles and they're offering a coupon, and now I want to sort by these most recently launched ones. And so I'm going to be able to find potentially some good product opportunities here. Let's see, where are the coupons on this? Maybe I didn't do that right. Okay, there we go. You got to hit only show items with coupons. And then the percentage off really doesn't matter then. Sorry about that. We hit search on Amazon. Now we're seeing the newest launched ones that have the word set and have clip off coupons. So what I would be doing then now is try to find some sellers who have had pretty good success, or and then check them out, and then check out these markets that they're launching. So what is this? This one looks interesting to me. Let's see. First of all, I'm going to check out this Milky Way guy and see how they're doing. Okay, 486 ratings. Okay, so this is somebody who's had some good success, but not crazy success. It seems they have gotten a part of the market here with these interesting pearls, oysters, and whatnot. Let's see what the revenue on this is. I mean, they did just launch on this. Okay, so it looks like they probably haven't even gotten any sales yet. But what is this? I can't reverse ASIN this one, unfortunately, because it just doesn't have anything that it's ranking for. I don't think it's even gotten any sales yet. So this is freshly launched. Let's say freshwater pearl oyster, perhaps. All right, now I would need to go to Helium 10 here and figure out I would probably use magnet on this main keyword here, because I have really no idea what it is, and that should tell me. All right, so let's put freshwater pearl oyster into magnet here and see what it gives us. Oysters with pearls inside. Something oysters. Okay, this is an interesting market, I have to say. Well, I would say that this could be a pretty good search method. Let's see. Now, the sales on this aren't exactly as distributed as I would like, but there is this guy. How many sales is this one doing? And I mean, it only has 2 reviews, and it's been selling for 3 months. It's just starting to pick up now, but that is, I mean, it does not look very advanced at all. Look at how unadvanced this market is. They literally these are just, come on, really? So this, I just did this for the first time. So this, I would keep doing this, and this is a great way to play and be creative with this Jungle Search tool, and it's completely free. So I think this is definitely a different way, because I love that coupon ability. Now, this might be added to product research tools in the future. I'll request that they add it. But this one is it's a nice little tool. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think, and ways that you think that we could also use this. And on to the next video.